Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am heading towards center. So what has happened is, when I had a fall on the bike and the side stand sensor is giving me an error. So even if the stand is up, it would show side stand error. So I just need to go there and check what has happened. Mostly the sensor has bent. So just see. Okay, let's reach. So exactly what had happened is, on Friday I guess, I had gone for the off-road trail and the bike had fell down, due to which the sensor or the stand has got bent and it is not getting the reading from the stand. So sensor is showing the error. Second, I'll also ask them if this issue happens when we are on a off-road trail or anywhere, so what should we do? So the socket, the bypass socket, costs around 40 to 50 rupees. You can buy it and keep it with you in case you have any issue while you're doing off-roading or on touring. You get that error, you just need to plug that in and you can use your bike. It's not gonna harm your warranty or anything as such. So ending this video over here. Do subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram ID. My ID is silentbiker_kv. Chalo, bye bye.